Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to press combination of keys, power key plus volume down. That's actually all you have to do, and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and screenshot is taken. So one last time: volume below, strong key, and we have screenshot. So you can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.